ever pondered over the intricacies of rocket propulsion? Or found yourself captivated by the spectacular liftoffs that defy gravity and venture into the depths of space? Well, the art of rocket science is not as far-fetched as it may seem. It's a fascinating mix of physics, chemistry, and a sprinkle of creativity that can be explored right at home. Today we delve into the intriguing world of rockets, breaking down the process into simple, digestible steps. Imagine a bottle filled with pressurized gas, uncapped suddenly. The forceful ejection of the gas propels the bottle in the opposite direction. This is the basic principle behind rockets. Newton's third law of motion: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, let's build on this principle. Picture a rocket, a slender aerodynamic structure designed to minimize air resistance. At the heart of the rocket lies its engine, the powerhouse that provides the thrust necessary for liftoff. This engine burns fuel, creating hot gas that expands and is expelled out of the rocket's nozzle, propelling the rocket upwards. But what is this fuel? Rockets use a combination of fuel and an oxidizer, a substance that triggers the fuel's combustion. This concoction is known as rocket propellant. The choice of propellant can vary, from liquid fuels like kerosene to solid fuels like powdered aluminum. So, how does the rocket lift off? The ignition of the fuel oxidizer mix generates a tremendous amount of heat and gas. This gas is funneled out through the engine's nozzle, creating a force that propels the rocket upwards. As the fuel continues to burn, the rocket keeps accelerating, pushing against Earth's gravity. Now, onto the construction of a simple rocket. A water rocket, for instance, uses water as its propellant and air pressure to create the necessary thrust. A plastic bottle, some water, and a bicycle pump are all it takes to create a mini spectacle of rocket science right in your backyard. But remember, safety first. Always ensure adult supervision and proper safety measures, like wearing safety goggles and maintaining a safe distance while launching the rocket. To summarize, rockets operate on the principle of action and reaction. They utilize a fuel oxidizer mix to create a force that propels them against gravity. With some basic materials and safety measures, anyone can create a simple rocket at home and marvel at the wonders of rocket science. So the next time you gaze at a rocket's fiery ascent into the sky, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the science that powers it. Rocket science might seem like a realm reserved for astronauts and astrophysicists, but with a touch of curiosity and a dash of creativity, it's an adventure that's accessible to all.